is Joel, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to be covering the recent dump and why I think you shouldn't be worried. So if we take a little look at the market, we could see nothing breathtaking by any means. Everything's pretty much getting by at the moment. Obviously we had a dip yesterday. I think this did look a lot worse earlier. Pretty much everything was in the red. However, I think it's given people a bit more confidence in the fact that we did dip from around $39,500. Obviously the 40k mark acting as quite good support. Alright, if we have a look as well, Shiba Inu and Ape Coin having a great day today. Some other coins doing not too bad. GMT did great yesterday, so it's quite interesting to see that down today. Mina again having another bad day. I believe Kyber was up yesterday as well. Right, this is one of the reasons obviously why the market has been a bit spooked lately. Not that crypto ever needs a reason to go down. But we believe that investors may be seeking risk-averse investments due to inflation, with the Fed set to tighten market liquidity with interest rate hikes. We saw $170 billion wiped from crypto within 2 days after Arthur Hayes, the BitMEX CEO, predicted crypto carnage by June. He did, however, admit that this is just a gut feeling of his and that he might be wrong, but all of this definitely together, I believe, played a part in this dump. 72% of financial advisors would invest more in crypto if there was a spot ETF. Unfortunately, they don't expect one. 38% survey think the SEC will approve one. 31% think it's unlikely. However, out of 500 advisors polled, 86% plan to increase crypto allocations. Mr. Wonderful Kevin O'Leary reveals his top crypto picks. A lot of you might recognize him from Shark Tank. He revealed that 20% of his portfolio is invested in crypto. He says he's a big fan of infrastructure, so a lot of his money is invested in things like exchanges. However, he does say he holds some Solana, some Avalanche, some Polygon, and some Helium, among others. He did say he's not a fan of Ethereum because it's too expensive for people to use and it's too slow. Right. Just tell yourself, if the world was ending, why would Mastercard be filing 15 Metaverse and NFT related trademarks? Oftentimes when the market has a big dump, we all panic. Obviously people with weak hands sell, but you just need to look what big money is doing. And obviously this isn't even anything new. This is after Visa and American Express have done similar. I think we're seeing that more and more people are getting into the metaverse. Mastercard hired 500 new people in February to consult with banks and merchants about adopting crypto-enabled tech. I think this is something we're only going to see more of in the future as well. This is huge. So Bahrain's largest asset manager launches a blockchain fund. This fund is ranked by Forbes as the second largest wealth manager in the Middle East. The Middle East has attempted to court crypto investors with friendly regulation. Chief of Investcorp's technology private equity business believes blockchain and related tech can change economies like the internet. Huge news. More of this, please. This is what we need. Bloomberg senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone says that the industry is in an unstoppable trajectory into global economic mainstream. He says if the stock market declines, Bitcoin is likely to follow. However, Bitcoin will come out ahead eventually, which is pretty much the sentiment that I have as well. Arthur Hayes might be right. We might dip to $30,000. Who really knows? But you've got to have that long-term vision. And eventually, I think we're only going up from here. Bank of America predicts crypto to skyrocket amidst impending recession shock. Bank of America thinks a rise in inflation will be the catalyst to boost the value of digital assets. It's also spoke on a few altcoins in the past. It's praised Tezos' ever-expanding ecosystem. It's a big fan of Avalanche subnets and has said that they think Solana could end up being the Visa of crypto. This is massive. This is a big raise. So Fortnite's Epic Games raises $2 billion in Metaverse play. So I believe $1 billion each has been invested by both Sony and Lego owner Kirkby. The raise was to advance the company's vision to build the metaverse and support its continued growth. Obviously, we've seen more and more big companies get into the metaverse lately. We have Meta, formerly Facebook, Samsung, Adidas, JP Morgan and HSBC. They've all signaled their interest in the metaverse. This I love. This is so cool. So Bored Ape Yacht Club themed burger joint debuts in California. Kevin CEO, Andy Nguyen and members of the Bored Ape community open a restaurant based on Bored Ape 6184. It's called Bored and Hungry and will accept Ethereum and ApeCoin as payment. And also on that subject, Coinbase produced Bored Ape Yacht Club animated short films. So they're calling it the D-Gen Trilogy, with the first film debuting in June and the next two over the course of the next year. My question for you is, would you go to Bored and Hungry? It looks really cool. Look at this. Would you visit? Does this interest you? Is it a gimmick, or do you think this is something we could see more of in the future? I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next one.